Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these mini apple pies. So if you guys are interested in see how I came up with this delicious recipe, stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is cut up some apples. As you can see, I'm speeding through this because it's very much self-explanatory. Now we want to cut up some nice dice-sized pieces because we're going to cook these and put it over to the side once you're done cutting it up. My bad, y'all. I thought I was recording, but off camera I added some cinnamon, which was about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then I added a cup of brown sugar, and right now I'm adding about a capful and a half of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna give it a little stir to make sure everything is well incorporated. Now in a separate pan, we're gonna add some butter and get that melted down. Now we're gonna add our apples to our butter, and we're gonna have this on medium-high heat. And then we're just gonna keep on giving it a stir until these get nice and tender. Now that our apples are nice and tender, this is how they should look. We're going to go ahead and set these over to the side and begin with our crust. I'm using store-bought pie crust, which you can buy at any store, and I'm using my cup that I use to measure my ingredients to make the perfect circles. So now I'm going to be using an ice cream scooper to scoop the apples onto the pie crust. And you want to make sure you get a nice amount to put on there. Don't overfill them because we're going to close these up. And I'm putting the crust right back on top. I'm going to pinch the corners, the sides, and you want to make sure you pinch it all the way through, like so. Now I'm going to be doing a little egg wash on top of these so they can be nice and golden brown. Now we're going to put some cinnamon and sugar right on top. You don't have to be picky about this part. You could put as much sugar and cinnamon as you want. So off camera, I went ahead and scored each of these pies, which look like a little T shape. Now we're gonna stick these in the oven for about 15 minutes and I'll be right back to y'all. And there these are right out the oven, and they are smelling so good. Right over here I made some caramel sauce to place on top, and if you guys want to see the recipe for that, I will leave it in the link down below. So I'm just gonna be drizzling some on top. I love caramel on my apple pie. And this is what it looks like when you open it. It's nice and warm. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I really appreciate you guys for coming by. Until next time, peace.